National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton, effective until 8:06 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch 395 effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. For the following areas in New Jersey, this watch includes 8 counties in central New Jersey: Mercer, Monmouth; in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, Warren; in Pennsylvania, this watch includes 4 counties in east central Pennsylvania: Lehigh, Northampton; in northeast Pennsylvania, Carbon, Monroe. This includes the cities of Allentown, Bethlehem, Blairstown, East Brunswick, Easton, Edison, Flemington, Freehold, Jimthorpe, Morristown, New Brunswick, Newton, North Brunswick Township, Perth Amboy, Sayreville, Somerset, Stroudsburg, and Trenton.